that's a good one.
Greetings. I'm at EPCOT and I'm Nico Star, by the way. Don't forget it. Today is an EPCOT vlog type of day and it's super packed. Right now it's Saturday, so that's one reason why it's packed. The other reason is Pirate Pass and Sorcerer Pass were blocked out up until today, the 3rd of January, and everything is long. I could give you some wait times to prove my point. Guardians is 135, gross. Spaceship Earth is 35, which is really long for an Omni mover. Turtle Talk Recrush is 15 minutes. Actually, that's not that bad. I don't even mind that at all. So best believe I'm not gonna ride anything today. I didn't even get to do my daily vlog routine, the weather. Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Hey Siri, what's the weather today? Dang. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what's the weather? Okay, I'll do it manually. Why am I having Wi-Fi problems? Oh, there it is. Okay, it's 71 degrees, so it's getting better. It actually is perfect weather because it's not cold, it's not hot, it's very neutral. There's not even that much wind, so it's fine. It looked like it was raining today. Like I got a couple specks of water on my head, but then like it never happened again, so I don't know what that was about. Very peaceful, but very crowded, and I don't really like crowds because I can't ride anything. I used to not like crowds because I can't ride anything and also it's hard to walk. I call it stutter stepping, where I'm like walking and changing my pace because there's so many strollers and wheelchairs and kids that are running around. And the most annoying thing is like when a kid like cuts me off. That happens like a lot. Like that happened like a minute ago. It used to be like bad. Now it's like not bad anymore. Like now I understand that this is Disney World, it's gonna be packed. I'm more tolerant about it. Like I'll be like, you know what, cut me off kid, you're having a great time. We are at the creation show. I'm gonna look inside right now. Oh my goodness, what do we have? We got a Figment Squishmallow. Hello. Okay, we got some Figment merch. What do we got over here? I'm seeing the same stuff. I don't think they really changed. They got Inside Out 2 plushie, another Inside Out 2 plushie. They got Anger, actually one Anger. They got Ratman plush from that movie. Normal Disney merch, normal stuff. Check out the mugs. Let's not check out the mugs. Some lounge fly. Okay, I think I'm done here. Oh my god, that was not that exciting. That was my bad, guys. I thought it was gonna be something interesting, which it wasn't. And yeah, my bad. Maybe there was something interesting, I wasn't looking correctly, but I don't know. I know my Disney stores and I wasn't really excited about it, so I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go to base 220 and see if the bar is open, because after these crowds, I need a drink. I was just wondering if there's like wait time for the bar today.
It is freshly sad, so how many people do we have?
Just one.
Alright, put your last name and first name for me, my friend.
Alright.
Alright, any celebrations?
No celebrations.
Alright, and we don't take any dining plans, is that right?
No dining plans.
Alright, you enjoy the bar, my friend.
Thank you. No wait time? Ah! I just want a drink today. I actually was craving it last night. I just didn't thought about it until I saw this building. I was like, oh shoot, I could actually go in, but it's packed today. But then I just got in, so maybe it's not super packed. Yep.
You can join them in that line right there, okay?
Okay, which one?
You can just stay right where you were.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, cool.
This is the actual elevator. And the manatees are
the latest in space elevator design and technology. Today, you'll have a spectacular view of Florida and the East Seaboard. Dock, gather your belongings and exit through the open airlock.
I feel like it's so weird right now.
Nikolai Eastman. This is my second.
Second time, all right, welcome back. If
Thank you.
You haven't done with us in a while, we do have a couple of new menu items since then, so just be aware if I'm looking at the menu.
Okay, cool.
We're going to be right down this way for your seat after.
Okay.
The bathrooms are right around that, all right?
Thank you. Hey.
What can I make you today?
So last time I got a shuttle crew, which
really nice.
I love that. I think I like vodka and like rum cocktails. Is there anything you recommend if I like
I can
that?
make you something special if you want. It's not on the menu.
I can do that, yeah.
You want vodka or rum?
Vodka.
That's worthy. Oh, before I do, I forgot to ask you. ID?
Yes.
You're good.
Thank you. Yeah, I have long hair in the photo.
It's all good.
That looks awesome.
Yeah, give that a try. That's picture worthy.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Are you hungry at all, or you just want to drink today?
Just a drink today.
Enjoy your drinks, okay? Thanks for coming up.
Yes, sir. This drink is incredible. Look at that, it's glowing. Pretty cool. At the parks? Oh yeah. Like, I think Cosmic is at like 135 minutes. Yeah, so it's my first time back because I'm a Pirate Pass holder, so today was like the first without blockout. Yeah, I expected it.
I didn't think it would be quite so crowded because it was in between festivals.
I know.
That was my mistake.
I was like, maybe, and I was like, oh, dang it. I looked at the app, I'm like,
Yeah, it's see the wait times like, oh.
I'm not gonna ride anything today.
What time? Yeah, that's a good one. Those Starbucks.
So-
That's yours.
Oh, that's mine, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, long time. You want another drink, or you want to go back to her?
I wanna go back to her. I don't drink a lot, so like the one drink I had felt like 3.
I understand.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you. Do you have a pen?
No, you just, however you're gonna pay, I bring you back and you fill.
Oh, yeah. Here you go. Ba, 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 ba.
Stop acting like aliens.
Okay, it is raining. So I was right in the beginning of the vlog. I said it was gonna rain, and now it's raining a lot. It actually feels kind of good though. I could lick it. Okay, bye Space 220. Okay, I'm gonna walk around the World Showcase. Oh my goodness, why is it raining? It's January.
May I have your attention, please?
Uh-oh, what's
At
this?
this time, test truck is not operating due to the inclement weather.
No. What inclement
Once
weather?
the inclement weather moves to a safe distance away,
It's just
we will start
sprinkling.
operation.
No. All right, I'm gonna still walk around the World Showcase. Nothing's gonna stop me. Oh, now it's ready. All right, I'm gonna get my food. Pick up one. Hello. Is it this one?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right.
It's gonna be around 9. You know what I mean?
So I'll put my sandwich on this napkin and you can have the rest.
But at that case, we could just, at that case, we could walk out by 9 and watch the fireworks.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Yeah, and the ketchup's basically out, so.
This place is packed. Alright, I am back home and I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I had an amazing cocktail. I love vodka cocktails. Ayy. Wearing my magic hat. Go Magic. Do I have anything else to say? The weather today got worse. I need to stop talking about the weather. But anyways, it was raining and it was cold and damp and it shut down the test track and I couldn't really do anything today because of that. So yeah, that's basically it. It was a chill day. I'm gonna go back to Disney tomorrow. I don't know which park, but I'll think of something. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Please subscribe. This is Nico Star, Disney Supreme, out.